Just a quick video look at this Canon Canonet. This is the early one with the 45mm f1.9 lens, and I just wanted to see and show what I found here with the metering. So if we cock this, it's on the bottom on this one, and point this into the light, I have this set on auto and an 1/8. There we saw a pretty small aperture. Now if I turn off this light, and now it's probably not going to show on here, a little bigger, very big, full size, and now if I point the light right in there, smaller yet. So the metering is doing something. I don't know how accurate it is. Otherwise, let's just step down through the shutter speeds here, and I'm just going to start here at 1/500th and then down to 1/250th, 1/125th, 1/60th, 1/30th, 1/15th, 1/8th, 1/4th, 1/2, 1 full second, and the bulb setting, where the shutter just stays open as long as I hold the button. And while I'm doing that, I'll just rotate the aperture control if I can get a hold of it here and show those blades opening and closing. Seems a little slow opening, so they're not as sprung open as they should be. So be aware of that. If we open this up, and this one we do that by popping that, you can see the inside. Door edges, they might have some light seal material on them. It has the Canon cap and this fitted case that fits it like this. Should have mentioned the focus does turn here. The rest of the case folds up over like that. There's a little compartment strung on the strap with an old metal film canister and a roll of seemingly exposed film in there. Well, I'm not going to try and force that zipper.